Good afternoon. Today I have a small tackle warehouse unboxing. I was running out of some of my go-to baits and I really had to pick some up, so I guess we're gonna crack into it here. Sure, get a decent angle on it here. Paper out. Yeah, it's just over $50, so I got the free shipping. And it's mostly Tech swing impact fats. And I got one of each of my go-to colors. So I got silver flash minnow. I got electric shad. Electric blue and chartreuse. Black shad. And rainbow shad. And then I have the round ball tungsten jig heads from Tech. 1/16 ounce number 1 hook. And these work really well with the swing impact fats here. Got the 2 of the 3 32nd with a number 1 hook as well. Yeah, everything appears to be here. You can tell that hook is pretty good. I've never had one bend out. I've always had this bait keeper break before the hook will. But I wanted to talk about the electric shad for a minute, because that's becoming one of my first go-tos right there. And let's see, and then the rainbow shad, I would say that's number 2 for me right now. And then the rest are a little bit situational. It's like I like to use these two when the water is a little bit muddy or murky. And this one, it's got a little bit of blue to it, or a little bit of green to it, I mean, sorry. So I think it does almost a good job being a baby bass imitator. But I think that's it. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.